This is going to be a very quick video just to show you how the Ubuntu Tekkit auto setup server runs. It's a little script I created just to ease setting up of Tekkit server because of issues with Java 6 and Java 7, so we have to install both. Now basically what we do to get this running, let's say you wanted to set up a Tekkit server for you and your friends. So you have a guide here. Now I'm not going to follow this guide, I'm just going to follow the guide, but I'm not going to read it out step by step. You download the file from here. It's a media file link, so it's just a simple case of downloading it. Nothing too complicated. Now that you have the file, you extract it. I've already got it extracted here, so I'm then going to open that. It's a folder. Now there's a readme file. Now in here you'll find the same instructions that are here. So let's look at the first instruction. Right click the install.sh file and click properties. Select the permissions tab, then tick this box here. It won't be ticked on yours, so tick it. Then double click it. Then click Run in Terminal. Now you've clicked in Run in Terminal, it'll request you enter your sudo password. So you enter your sudo password. I'm going to enter mine here. You can see I've entered my sudo password. It's going to install some applications. It's just installing Java 6 and Java 7. So you'll see in a second it'll be done. Almost done. Guess one of my boxes downstairs is downloading some updates. My internet isn't. I should be getting 4,000 kilobytes a second, so 4,500-ish. But oh well, it's almost done. I'm going to pause the recording and come back when this is done. Okay, it's now complete. The installation has disappeared. It'll disappear when it's done. Next instruction is to enter the folder called KM100 server, which is here. Right click the KM100 server.sh, which is somewhere in here. KM100. Here it is. Do the same thing. Properties, permissions, make sure that's ticked. Double click it. Run terminal. Now it's easy, it gives you an IP address here. I suggest writing this down. This is my IP address. I'm not really too concerned about giving it out though, because it's dynamic. There's no server running on it at the moment anyway, but basically that's your IP address. You give that to your friends to play with you. Now the instruction here is type the number for Java 6 now. But first up it's asking for passwords. Let's enter in a password. And it'll bring up a list. Now you can see Java 6, Java 6, Java 7, Java 7. Now if there are two Javas, select the second one. If there are two Java 7s, select the second one. Always select the second one. You can see these numbers beside it. So it's asking us to enter in the number for Java 6, so the second Java 6 is number 1. So you enter in number 1, and let it start the client. Now you can see the Tekkit launcher is starting. Now it's requesting type in the number for Java 7 now. So now the second Java 7 is number 3 for me, so I'm going to enter in number 3. Now it's requesting that we read the readme file. Do not close this window whatever you do, because the server is going to be running from within it. But as you can see, we've got the launcher here. I'm just going to let it start. But as you can see, the server is starting but there as well. Okay, now it's generating the worlds. It's going to take a minute to generate the worlds. I'll pause it and come back once it's done. Hello again, it's just finished. Now basically, we know it's finished because it stopped scrolling. Once it stopped scrolling, it's done. And now the next step, according to the instructions, is after the server started and it's no longer scrolling, open transmission. This is a program included with Ubuntu, so I'm going to open transmission. Now to open it on your system, it'll be a bit different, but on mine I just use GNOME shell, so I've opened transmission. You can see some of my trans there, but anyway. Then I go edit preferences, network, enter in 25565 here, and click test port. As soon as it says port is open, you'll see this says lost connection. That's fine. Then you can just get rid of transmission. Keep it open, but just put it somewhere where it's out of the way. And now your server will function. And just to show it functioning, the way you connect to it yourself is to type in localhost. This is how you connect. But for your friend to connect, you enter in that IP address I showed you earlier. So as you can see, I can now connect to my own server, and as you can see, I'm connected. As you can see, I'm now on a server, and I'm going to exit out of that because my CPU is currently going crazy, but you get the point, it works fine. The second you close that, it kills the server. So now the server is no longer running, and that's how you set up a Tekkit server on Ubuntu. Now it's much easier than it used to be. If you need your IP address afterwards, because you're an idiot and you didn't write it down on the blog post, you'll see there's a link. Click on that, and if you click on it, it'll give you your IP address. I'm not going to do it now though, because I'm on a new IP address now. But you at least see how it works. Right, Brendan, if you have any questions or comments, comment in the description below, or not description, you know, the comments. Comment in the comments. Below, and I shall get around to answering them. I hope this works for you. Okay.